I want you to find a comfortable seat, somewhere where you can find rest and comfort in the body for a couple of minutes. Drop the shoulders down away from the ears. Create length through the spine, out the crown of the head. Allow the hips and the legs to soften, the arms to become heavy, and the eyelids to softly close. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold the breath. And then open the mouth. Let it go. Now just watch the breath. Become a spectator. Without judgment. Watching the natural ebb and flow. As you inhale, feel the air cool on your nostrils. And then feel it warming as it moves down the back of the throat, fills up the chest and the lungs, and then continues moving down into the pit of the belly. And then feel it slowly float away again as you exhale. Inhale nice and slow. Exhale, release. Now letting go of the breath, finding a natural rhythm. I want you to focus your attention outwards. First begin with sounds in the distance. Perhaps you can hear some traffic, some people, the sound of nature and the ocean. And now bring that awareness of sound a little closer in towards the body. Maybe within the same room as you, or within a close proximity to where your body is currently rested. Without giving these sounds either a positive or negative attachment, keeping everything that you hear completely neutral and simply noticing the sounds that surround you. Perhaps even bringing that sound awareness internally. If you listen closely enough, perhaps you can hear the beating of your own heart. Now I want you to let go of the sounds and instead bring your attention to the sensations of the body. Begin to notice the warmth of your skin. Perhaps you can begin to feel the blood rushing through your veins and the pulsation of your heart. Perhaps there's some light or sunshine on your skin. Perhaps a light breeze is moving your hair. Maybe you can start to feel the cushions or the earth below you supporting your physical body. Now I want you to imagine that there is a warm light, a warm white light, resting just above the crown of your head. As you inhale, that ball of light increases. It becomes brighter and bigger. As you exhale, energetically draw that ball of light into your heart space. Feel it warming your chest and your lungs. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, let it go. keeping this ball of light rested inside your heart space. Continue breathing, and with every exhale, feel and witness the warmth and the light grow stronger. And as you exhale, surrender, melt further into the earth below you, becoming more and more relaxed with every breath. Inhale. Exhale nice and slow. Inhale. Exhale. Trying deliberately to make every exhale a little longer than the inhale. Calming the mind, calming the nervous system, calming the body, the heart, and the soul. Continue with a natural breath. I'm going to begin offering you some words and affirmations. If it feels right for you, I want you to listen, to hear these words, and if they resonate, I'd like you to begin to internally repeat them to yourself. And when you do so, truly meaning them, bringing life into those words. I am beautiful. My soul and my character, my personality, who I am and who I choose to be is a beautiful human being. I understand that beauty is not a physical trait that one possesses. My beauty is limitless and found within the heart. I am strong. I am strong. I have the courage and the ability to combat any obstacle that life may throw in my way. I recognize that these obstacles are deliberate redirects to my path. For these redirects, I am thankful. My heart swells and I am filled with gratitude. These challenges, all challenges, and my history do not define me. I have the ability to create change and positive transformation within my own life at any point in time. I have faith in something greater than myself. I have faith that I myself am great. I give up my ego and surrender wholeheartedly to the universe. I trust in her divine story and know that here, where I am right now, and at any point in time, is exactly where I am supposed to be. I have so much love to give. I am worthy of receiving and feeling love. My love is not limited. My love is abundant, and I choose to share it with the people around me. I understand that I do not have control over everything in my life. However, I do have control over my thoughts and my actions. And I choose to consciously create loving, kind, and magnificent thoughts for myself that will in turn shape my reality. I am confident in who I am. Other people's opinions, judgments, and thoughts do not define who I am. My thoughts are not who I am. My thoughts are not who I am. I am brave. I am capable. I am goddamn courageous. I am beautiful. I am strong. I am loved. I am so, so loved. I am deserving of this love, and I am capable of giving this love back threefold. I have so much love to give. I am kind. I am humble, and I am grateful. I am grateful for the large things, equally to the small. I am created with pure divinity. I am exactly who I am supposed to be. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold the breath. And then exhale and let it go. Bringing your attention back towards the sensations of the body. Bring your attention back to the sounds around you and within you. Becoming fully aware and present of where you are in the world or in the room. Once again, dropping the shoulders away from the ears, lengthening out the crown of the head. Take one last slow breath. Inhale fully. Exhale, let it go. Keeping the eyes closed, finding a sense of gratitude, finding a gift within the present moment, within the breath. Noticing how you feel now and choosing consciously to take this feeling with you throughout the rest of your day. When you're ready, and only if you're ready, begin to gently open up the eyes. Look around you and witness all of the vibrant colors of this life. The love and light in me recognizes that same light and love inside of you. Namaste.